Hi guys, in this video I show you how to practice and improve keyboard typing speed and accuracy, how to check the words per minute progress, and yes, it's very easy. Just use this website called entertrained.app. Just open the website and you will see this screen. It's for free, so don't worry guys. You can start a tutorial if you want, but you can also just follow my instructions. Click on skip and then you can choose one of many public domain books. Let's choose the first one, this one for example, and start. So all you need to do is follow all this text. Type the text MRS Rachel Lind lived just where the Avonlea main road dipped down into a little hollow fringed. Oh, you see, I'm also doing some mistakes, and this system is recognizing. You have also a visual typing keyboard here, so it's very good made. You also hear some nice sounds, typing sounds, almost like ASMR. I really like this website, and it's really helping to improve, to get faster. Yeah, you can also almost say you can do it without looking at the keyboard after a lot of practicing, guys. So yeah, that's the website. You can do as you saw before, so many books. Try everything out, and for me it makes a lot of fun, guys. So thank you for watching and see you next time.